আপনারা দেখছেন নিউজ নাও, খবরের নতুন ভাষা।
Convocation pandawo rung srungnai rokno srungma paimani borom blai rithani thangai sogoika hastepha kokti shalo Tripura rungno kyungo convocation pandawo kok tarak thani hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nalu shaka fainai 2047 bishino naharei tabukni sikla sikliro shebokno shibi wan sugui tongyawo saijong sakaisa saktharnani nangnai hini shaka Vice President CP Irada Krishnani Manjak mukbai opanda teibo mojangkha hinibosh khurchaka hasteni hastepha
Today, the 8th of March, is a date of profound significance. As we celebrate International Women's Day, I extend my warmest greetings to the women scholars, faculty members, and the mothers who have nurtured these bright minds. It is a matter of immense pride to see so many young men receiving their degrees today, a testament to the empowerment of Nari Shakti in our state and nation. We are deeply honored by the presence of our Honorable Vice President C.P. Radhakrishna ji, whose wisdom and constitutional rectitude inspire us all. His presence elevates this convocation into a moment of national importance. India is not just a nation on the rise. We are the world's fastest growing major economy and a beacon of hope for the global south. As you step out with your degrees, remember that you are not merely job seekers, you are the architects of Vikasit Bharat 2047.